Alright guys, welcome back to Burning Rubber Garage. Hopefully you got a pretty decent angle here. This is the throttle body. This is the fuel management system. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these and kind of show you what comes in them. I had a few people ask, hey, love to see what's in it. This one, if it's not sealed, send it back. That's what they want you to do. So we've got this opened up. You open up, you got your instructions, little brochure, nothing too crazy. Quick start guide for your handhelds if you've watched our other video. Pretty basic stuff. So looks like they've got some different stuff than the last time I bought too. So maybe the one I bought last time has been sitting around a little bit. Accessories, just kind of some basic brochure information. What you guys want to see, I bet, is what's under here. Alright, so being through this once, I kind of have a good idea of what we've got. There's your adapter for your sensor. There's a plug on the back in case you do use the fuel management system. Here's the holder for the control module. This is some of your wiring harness. These are the ones you're going to have to run. Here's your plug for your computer. O2 sensor, not too crazy. O2 sensor mount. Clamps to mount the O2 sensor. Let me try and adjust this up just a little bit. There we go. There's a data cable and then different gaskets for different styles of manifolds. So we pull this box out right now. This is the one you guys want to see. Right out of the box here. Here's your handheld unit right there. There's your temp sensor. And here is what really makes everything really go well, the throttle body. So nothing too crazy here. Pretty basic stuff. It's a good looking unit. I love the anodized red in there. Really good looking piece. All your wiring is right here on the back. So it's really fairly simple. You guys will probably see that in the next little bit. How simple it is. I'm going to try and give you a quick high-level overview. You guys already kind of saw us do it on the Nova. Anything I run into issues with, I will definitely let you know about. With that out of the way, let's go over here and take a look at the fuel management system. Just gotta bend it so it can go there, huh? Alright, this just gives you like your instructions, basic how you set it up. So what you got your mechanical pump goes in, goes to the pressurized fuel pump in there, puts it out there, usually right around 58.5, and then it sends it up to the throttle body. This is your fuel command center. It has two gauges, a low pressure for your mechanical in, and then a high pressure for this going out. You also have your return line that comes out of this unit. So they supply you with, I would say, enough. And depending on where you're putting it, if you're putting it towards the back of the car, not enough. Anywhere in the engine bay, you should have enough high pressure fuel hose to be okay. They give you the two brackets. So you mount those, and I'll show you where you mount those. They give you an inline fuel filter. Several different adapters. There's some straights. Kind of see that? There's the straight adapters. They give you a couple that are on, I believe, a 45. Maybe it's just one on a 45. Nope, looks like 2 and 2. 2 on 45 and 2 on a 90. So you can kind of see there. Pretty decent. They give you plenty of stuff, which is awesome. So they give you some hardware here that you can use to hold the clamps on. And then they give you these two to put on the, but honestly the lines will probably stay on. They're nothing too crazy. This is really what you're paying for, and it is in there good. So here's what you got. A little bit of a glare on there. You've got your vent, high out, low in. There's your high pressure, low pressure. Pretty cool little setup there. Not very big. I mean, you can see my span's about 8-9 inches there, and it's all of that. I mean, it is a little hard to see at times. Make sure we get this put back how we need it. Then it says must use vented gas cap. So that's one of the big things they really harp on. So let's put out, I'm just going to leave all this stuff out. It looks like they just gave me one angle. Well, we'll make it work, I guess. They didn't do the same as last time, so their consistency isn't very good. Last time I had 2 of these. It's a nice cut over. I used all of those. I also had 2 of these, which is kind of just like an up and out, which was awesome. And I had 2 of these last time, but now it looks like I've got 3 of these. So we're going to have to do it a little different on the Camaro, which is fine. I'll mount it lower. Should be a really good time. All right, so I want to kind of show you this. Here's your throttle body in action. All the wiring, let me just pull this down. It might be easier. All the wiring back there, it's tough. It's a lot of wiring and a lot of space to tuck all that up, but we did a pretty good job. A lot of it's hid back there, bundled up, coiled up, above and away from heat. There's one of the fittings. Here's where you use your other 2 fittings right there. Right there's the other 2, and here's your fuel unit. You can kind of see it's not huge, but it does take up some space. And then of course you're going to have some wires hooked up over there too. So very simple install. Hopefully you guys like this type of a video. If you do, great. I'll do more of them when I get parts, but I wanted to show you what comes in the kit. Honestly, what we're going to be doing, we're going to put the Fitech on the Camaro. It's had some fuel issues, so we're going to address all of those and kind of see if that works or if it doesn't. So if it doesn't work, then we've got other issues, but I think it'll work and we should be okay. I'm excited to get this car back out on the road. Whenever I have people come over, I usually think, oh man, they're going to be super excited by the Nova, because sometimes people want to see the cars or the Suburban. No, every time they come back and they want to see this guy, and it's hard to say, yeah, it doesn't even run. So we're going to fix that. We're going to get it to run. We're going to put a fuel injection on it. It hasn't been the same since I cut the exhaust off. You probably saw that video. There was a string of Camaro videos. There's a part 1, part 2. We gained like almost 20 decibels because of the way it was cut. If I can find that video, I'll show you some of those exhausts. But yeah, this should be a really good one. Thanks for subscribing. We did hit 1,000. Hopefully we'll stay there. I've got a couple things ordered. I want to do a giveaway, have some fun with that. We are going to do the rides, Burning Rubber Garage rides. Go ahead and send your ride in. We'd like to have a few more to feature. Nothing too crazy, but we'd like to have a few more to feature, and that would be awesome. As you can see out here, it's freaking cold. It's like 21 degrees outside. We went from 60 to 21, which is just overnight type of phenomenon type of thing, and snow, so it's awesome. But in the garage here, we'll be good. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for sharing. Gotta love the YouTube community. We'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully it's the install.